This is Thozamile Taki, one of the most brutal serial killers in the history of South Africa. He's also accused of selling the body parts of his victims to a Sangoma for muti and other rituals. And then he burned the rest of their bodies until they were unrecognizable to the police. This is a very dark story, so trigger warning. In 2007, in a township in KZN, people were shocked because they just found a dog walking on the street carrying the head of a woman. When they followed the trail of this dog, it led them to a headless body in a sugarcane field, and that turned out to be the first victim of this serial killer. The police searched the rest of the sugarcane field and they found 11 other bodies. A lot of them had already decomposed. A lot of them were just skeletons remaining. A lot of them were badly burnt. So they were burnt until they were not even recognizable for any testing of who the identities were. At this point, they didn't even have a suspect. Thozamile had been posing as a job recruiter for these women, promising them better jobs, promising them better lives, and then luring them to the sugarcane field where he would kill them and rob them of their wallets and their cell phones. He would even ask them to bring a bribe to get these jobs so that he would take this money from them before killing them and then selling their body parts to the Sangoma for some rituals and burning the rest of the bodies beyond recognition. It was also suspected that he had sexually assaulted these women, but this could not be proved because of how badly burned they were. He was eventually arrested along with his girlfriend Hlengi Wendene, who was suspected to be his accomplice because she was also found with the cell phones of the victims and their belongings, and she knew exactly what he was doing but did nothing to stop him. At some point during his trial, Thozamile tried to escape jail with 8 other prisoners, and they were all successful except him because he fell from the roof of his 4th floor cell. He broke his spine because of this and had to continue the rest of his trial in a wheelchair. He was found guilty of all 13 of the murders that he was accused of and given 13 life sentences and another 208 years in jail for all the robberies he was accused of. The judge said that he does not recommend him to ever be eligible for parole because as the witnesses were testifying about what he did to them and their families, he was laughing the whole time and showed no remorse, and it is believed that he will never be able to rehabilitate it, and if he's ever released from prison, he will definitely continue to kill again.
You know, I know what I'm gonna tell you now is gonna sound crazy, but like, I know what I saw, okay? This person did not have a shadow. Like, on the floor, they did not have a shadow. I know it sounds crazy, but I know what I saw, guys, and like, this thing happened today. So let me tell you guys what happened, right? I'm still a little bit freaked out, but I know what I saw. Just saying, because like, people think I'm losing it. I'm not. I know what I saw. So this morning, yeah, like, I woke up normal. I took Umatla to creche. So I took Umatla to creche. Like, it's not far. We just walk. I just walk him to creche. So on my way back, I was walking and like, it was hot. It was like around 8:30 to 9. So I had an umbrella, right? So as I'm walking, this guy is approaching me. So as he's approaching, he's wearing all black and like, he's like kind of dirty. And then he's also dark on top of that, and he's tall. So I'm holding my umbrella and like, I look at his face and then like, he has like, he's not smiling, but like, he has like a smirk, you know, on his face. That's a smirk, like a smirk on his face. So then I look at him head to toe, and then I look at myself, like I look, and then I see that I have a shadow. So I'm holding an umbrella and I look on the floor, I have a shadow. And then I look back at this person and I look on the floor, like, this person does not have a shadow. So I'm like, no, I think maybe, you know, he's walking in the opposite direction. So I think, no, maybe it's because he's walking in the opposite direction. So my mind is still trying to process this. So as he walks past me, he doesn't talk, he doesn't do anything. He walks past me. So now I turn and this guy is like walking in the sun without a shadow. And I'm looking at, like, I'm looking on the floor and like, I have the shadow. Like, guys, so as I'm still confused, I'm like next to this like gym. So this guy, that gym there, he likes greeting me. He goes out, he comes out of the sliding door and he's like, how are you? I'm like, no, so I'm like, no, I'm good. And then he's like, you know, how have you been? I haven't like seen you. And I'm like, nah, I've been chilled. Then he's like, yeah, we'll talk. I'm like, sharp. So then I turn around again, trying to see that one without a shadow. Like, maybe I was going a little crazy. When I turn around, he's not there. Like, he's not there. So like I kept on sharp. I continued walking home. Like, it's the same street. So I kept on looking back. I couldn't see him. And guys, like, it's like one long street, okay? There's no way like he took a shortcut anywhere, nowhere. And like, he doesn't live in our street. I don't know him. So yeah, it's fine. You guys can say I'm crazy, but like, I know what I saw. And it sounds weird, but like that, he really didn't have a shadow. Like, he was walking in the sun without a shadow. So yeah, it's fine.
Kunaleli sonto leli niyalazi nani lidumile nje nomfundisi wakhona uyaziwa futhi. Ugeli ungisendela indaba yakhe ke uthi ugeli ke yeyi ngake ngavelelwa isimanga. Uthi ke uma wami ke wangiphoqa wathi kimi ke nakumele ngihambe isonto. Naye kunesonto elisha selijoinile. Hayi nami ke ngoba phela umzali mayesekhulumile usuke sekhulumile. Uthi nami ke hayi ke ngiye ke esontweni ke hamba isonto, but nje kodwa ngingathanda ukuya kuleli sonto leli because nje yazini lali against her beliefs. Uthi ke ugeli hayi ngiye esontweni, uthi ngelinye ilanga athi umfundisi bonke laba abafuna ukwamukela uJesu mabeze ngibakhulekele. Uthi hayi nami ngithi angiyi. Uthi maye ugel uthi wathi mayimbamba umfundisi kwabangazathi uzwa this energy akangakaza yizwa before, wayengezwa noma this energy is good or it's bad, but nje the heavy energy ayizwa nje mahlombe yakhe nje ukuthi yazini wawuzwa lo moya loyo. Uthi ayi nginganaki ngiqhubeke ke vele ke nginokuya esontweni. Uthi kodwa after lapho ke sengilithanda isonto, sengiphila isonto manje, yonke into yami impilo yami nje revolves around isonto nje, ayikho nje ngiphefumula isonto, ngidla isonto nje, ngihamba isonto. Uthi ke ugeli ke hayi ke qhubeka isikhathi ke, then umfundisi ke mayintuwele la sonto lelana uthi untombazane kugcwele amantombazane nomama kakhulu, so sometimes kuyahanjwa kuyolaliwa esontweni ukuthi for what namangasi. Uthi ugeli ke kodwa phela wayethi umfundisi ke nabantu abafuna ukureceive ama blessings mabeze bezolala esontweni, so beza ke abantu bezolala esontweni, especially the young girls. Uthi ke sometimes ke kuyahanjwa kuyolaliwa kamfundisi ke. Uthi ke nama ngitshele ukuthi hayi uboza uzolala esontweni or kwami, yabona nizokwazi ukuthi nje ni receive ama blessings. Uthi okokuqala ke ngiyolala esontweni ngangihamba nomama. Uthi nje azange kuze kulaleke, uthi nje ngangizwa ama sounds kuyi-roof nje, ubuthongo azange nje buze bufike, yabo. Uthi hayi okwesibili ke athi umfundisi amantombazane kuzoza amantombazane azolala kwami nawe komelozi. Uthi nami ngiyeke ngiyolala khona ke lapho ke kwamfundisi. Mayelala kwamfundisi uthi nje one night uthi aphaphame ejulukile, ezwa ngathi ukhathele, eshiselwa nokushiselwa. Uthi hayi ngiphaphame mana kulaleki kuyashisa. Uthi manje aqalaza endlini balele nje baningi bangamantombazane from 12 to 19 years, mind you ama virgins lawo bonke nje. Uthi mangiphaphama amantombazane amisa amanqola, amisa amadolo kanje, kungathi khona into ebalalayo but ayibonakali. Bayabona balele kodwa ubuthonga bezwa lutho, but khona into engazathi iyabalala. Baloke bayanyakaza, like banyakaza, but nje aqondakali mani ukuthi kanjani. Uthi yo ngithuke kungasalaleki. Uthi mangithi ngivusa intombazane eseduzane nami, ilele ubuthonga ayivuki kodwa amadola amile kanje. Wonke umuntu it's like ngathi batsheliwe nje or ngathi khona ofika wonke umuntu abavu balele ngeposition efanayo bonke. Uthi yo hayi ngithuke nje vele ngithi yazini athi mhlambe it's a coincidence ukuthi balele ngokufana, uyabo. Uthi nje ngiziwe lawo ma signs. Hayi angasho lutho. Elinye ilanga aphuphe kukhona umuntu omengale komfule emmemeza athi ngithi ntombazane phuma kulelo sonto, ngithi phuma kulelo sonto liyingozi, yabo. Uthi hey yabo nje ngivuke nami iphupho leli lingixaka ukuthi hayibo lisho ukuthini vele. Uthi hayi alright fine, azibe indaba yephupho aqhubeke nempilo. Uthi ke sometimes umfundisi ubenokukhulekela abantu esontweni, mhlawumbe kuthiwa khona umama ophethwe izinyawo. Uma lo mama emkhulekelo ophethwe izinyawo, inyawo zizophatha yena lo geli. Nami amantombazane bekhala ngento efana ukuthi yazi umfundisi esontweni mayikhulekela abantu abagulayo, ngizwa ngazathi lento iphethe mina. Kucomplaina lamantombazane alala kwamfundisi lawa amancane ukuthi ngazathi kunento kanje yenzakalayo. Kodwa nje beqhubeke nesonto. Uthi untombazane ke hayi ke ngelinye ilanga ngishelwe womunye wama-asha-ke ugele una 19 sithashelwe womunye wama-asha amqomeke bethandane-ke kodwa nje ugaya amtshela ukuthi mina ngisase-virgin engakabi ready uthi ugaya athi hhayi okay akunankinga bethandane ukuthi umfundisi vele naye found out le ndaba le abagqugqumezele kuthiwa lo Asha uyena oclose kakhulu kumfundisi uthatha hayi vele ngani zami ku-right uthi nithandane ayigqugqumezele nje indaba yabo yokuthandana beqhubeke bethandana uthi first time beqala ukuqabulana uthi ugeli ngezwe ngazathi ngiqabula into engaphili kulomhlaba uthi the feeling was not normal mind you ngeke ngathandana before ngaqabulana nomuntu ngiyakwazi ukuqabulana nomuntu into nje normal nje yazini feeling nje yakhona yasemhlabeni but that feeling yayingekho right uthi ayi ngidecide ukuhlukana nomfana because kunezinto nyane engangayiqondi kahle uthaqasa ukumfundisa ukuthi usehlukene nomfana bemenyanye nje esontweni kushintshe nje isimo-ke uthi-ke ngoba bese preacher nanokupreacher esontweni ngelinye ilanga epreacher esontweni uthi umfundisi wayeloku evale indlebe elokethi ethi enyanya umbona ukuthi uyacikeka u-uncomfortable uthi ugele ngiqhubeke mina ngipreacher esontweni ngipreacher ngikhuluma izwi lenkosi uthi umfundisi wazi ukubonakala esukuma ehamba kwangazeka ukuthi why uthi wazi wabuya sengiqedile upreacher ugeli lo uthi-ke ngelinye ilanga-ke noma wakhe naye athola amaphupha afana nawakhe ugeli beqale beyixoxe le ndaba kuthiwa hayi mani yabo le nto le kukhona ukushaya amanzi beqale manje kuma wakhe naye sekayasola vele manje athi yazini leli sonto leli is up to no good asiliyeke baliyeka kanjalo-ke umama nendodakazi isonto lakhona. So guys, please do let me know in the comments ukuthi nicabangani ngale ndaba. Wake waba ku situation efanayo nika girl and ningakhohlwa futhi ungisendele igaxa zenu via inbox.
Izinto ezenzeka emagroove. Izinto ezingalunganga ezenzeka emaclubini. Khona umunye usisi wase-Orlando East, Soweto. Into enzakalayo ukuthi ba-decide ukuthi hayi ngcono baphume bayojive. Suke Soweto ba-request. Bahambe bayodansa. Babafika lapha eclubini hayi ziyawushaya. Ya, ziyakhipha la. Yabona. Khona wena yonke race ongayicabanga bomandiya, Khaladi, everything. Kuda kuphelela. Hayi basijabulise manje uyezwa man ukuthi hayi man igazi lakhe alikho right man, like akakhululekanga kule ndawo abakuyo, akekho settled, akekho sharp. Hayi acela umngani cela samse toilet khaphi nochamo, uyawazi kamantombazana chwe bahambe fika toilet hayi basasebhizi ngento zabo batshela umngani ukuthi hey yazi angizizwa sharp, angiziza kahle kule ndawo le esikuyo, angizizwa kahle serious bo. Hayi basakhuluma kanjalo ngena amantombazana ayi-2 bakungena amantombazana ayi-2 bezwe ngezwi ukuthi hayi this one akusibodakhe isingisi, bakhuluma isingisi. La mantombazane abantu mabamamela kahle bebakhuluma into njengokuthi bathi babona abantu abasha la clubini bazothola igazi elisha. La mantombazana ayi-2 angene lapha wathola ugeli lo bekathe akazizwa kahle eclubini. Uthi ugeli bagibela phezulu kwamasidi bamamela kahle ukuthi kuthiwa la mantombazana ayi-2 athi we gonna feast on the new blood today. I see new blood. They feel and they hear and they sense new blood. Ntombazana uthi inqamuka umchame etoilet abambi inhliziyo ishaya ngamandla. Kwenzakalani manje? Sizifake iphi? What's happening in this club? Namantombazana oyingisi bathi babona amantombazana amasha. There's a lot of fresh blood today. We're gonna suck and feed on feast on this new blood. Abakhulume baxoxe ukuthi hayi manje lamantombazana malendlela akhuluma ngayo futhi kunestaff asibhemayo sa cocaine ngoba iyakhuluma ithule ibuye ikhulume ithule dosa umoya. Ntombazane baphume la mantombazane ayi-2. Waphuma kanjalo ehla amantombazane sithi navula iminyango. Aphuthuma aye ngale ku-groove abuyele back to groove atshele lapho. Bathi hey asambeni bafowethu. Laba bathi hayi bomkani ngoba sisa-enjoy bathi asambeni. Hayi kube ne-one e-refuser. It's no, I'm still enjoying man. I'm not going anywhere. Ngiyala buze lo munye ukuthi siyahamba or ngiyala athi hayi axhunywa sambeni. Bantu babasahamba babavimbe emnyango. Hayi babavimbe. Abuze la mantombazane. Where are you going guys? There's still an upcoming DJ. Not an upcoming. There's still a DJ in the lineup ozongena. Manje ngo-12. Mind you, time was around 11 ebusuku. But where are you going guys? There's a DJ who's still coming. The best of the best around 12. Where are you going? Don't go. Okay, but no, we still want food. We still want to go get something to eat. But no, we do have the menu. The menu call. Where are you going? Adlo munye no hayi. Kuzoba into fast. Kuzoba into fast. Uthanda ukuthi chwep. Ngithi chwep. Mboyi. Quick. Hayi baba dede. But are you serious? You will come back. But yeah, we will come back. But chwep baphuma. Mabaphuma vele ngenhlanhla. Nangedlozi noNkulunkulu. Nasi Scopus taxi. A taxi idrop abanye abantu abaza la clubini. Baphuma vele bagijime baphoseke taxini. Bathi futhi shaya imoto. Hamba mfowethu. Thulekile Scopus. Silence Scopus. Abuze lo bhuti ukuthi yini lena ibalekayo lapha phakathi. Hayi bathuki. Adlo bhuti ngiyanibona ukuthi nibaleka khona nikubalekela. Kube ngishiyile mara manje inhliziyo yami ithi hayi awuthi ngime kancane. Let me stop. But hayi bhuti sokuxoxela yonke into nedi manje sifuna ukuzibona sise-Orlando. Shaya Scopus which is a taxi. Shaya taxi ubafu. Fike e-Orlando. Amtshele intombazane ukuthi hey ngizwe ukuthi namantombazane athi abona igazi elisha they're gonna feast, they're gonna do this, they're gonna do this. That don't fight. Yeah, ngiyazi kule yandaba. I know very well lapho ukuthi kudliwa abantu lapho. Umunywa igazi labantu lapho. I know very well ukuthi abantu ebeze lapha eGroovini kule yandawo le abaphumba abakahle la kopto la kopa khedi le khahlaba mabaphuma lapha. Abekho shap. Ababuza thi nina ne-right banenzeni but hayi basenzanga next. Sheshe sa-react sheshe sezwe. Okubuhlungu kuyi-one. Bashiya umnganabo. Kuningi okufihlakele okwenzakalayo kule ndawo esijiva kuzo. Le ndawo esigroova kuzo niboyicaphela.
Mfethu Momzansi lilitsotsi seliyaprotectiwa